We interrupt normal programming for an emergency bulletin. North American Aerospace Defense Command has detected a nuclear attack against North America, including Canada. The detected trajectories include, but are not limited to, Winnipeg, Manitoba, Cold Lake, Alberta, Edmonton, Alberta, Esquimalt and Victoria, British Columbia, Ottawa, Ontario, Toronto, Ontario, Montreal, Quebec, Halifax, Nova Scotia, Vancouver, British Columbia, Goose Bay, Newfoundland, Cambridge Bay, Nunavut. Seek shelter immediately, especially if you are within a 10-mile radius of these locations. Be prepared to remain in your shelter for 14 or more days. Bring sufficient food, water, clothing, medicine, and other essential supplies for your stay. Canada, the United States, and their NATO allies are launching counterattacks. The Strategic Defense Initiative of North America is initiating counter-ballistic missile strikes. Her Majesty's government in Canada will issue a statement once the crisis has ended. Martial law is now in effect for Canada during and after this crisis. This is not a drill. Take immediate protective measures.
Nous interrompons la programmation normale pour un bulletin d'urgence. Le commandant de la défense aérospatiale de l'Amérique du Nord a détecté une attaque nucléaire contre l'Amérique du Nord, y compris le Canada. Les trajectoires détectées incluent, mais ne sont pas limitées à Winnipeg, Manitoba, Cold Lake, Alberta, Edmonton, Alberta, Esquimalt et Victoria, Colombie-Britannique, Ottawa, Ontario, Toronto, Ontario, Montréal, Québec, Halifax, Nouvelle-Écosse, Vancouver, Colombie-Britannique, Goose Bay, Terre-Neuve, Cambridge Bay, Nunavut. Abritez-vous immédiatement, particulièrement si vous vous trouvez dans un rayon de 10 000 de ces endroits. Soyez prêt à rester dans votre abri pendant 14 jours ou plus. Apportez assez de nourriture, d'eau, de vêtements, de médicaments et d'autres articles essentiels pour votre séjour. Le Canada, les États-Unis et leurs alliés de l'OTAN ont lancé des contre-attaques. L'initiative de défense stratégique de l'Amérique du Nord a déclenché des frappes contre les missiles balistiques ennemis. Le gouvernement de Sa Majesté au Canada fera une déclaration une fois la crise terminée. La loi martiale est maintenant en vigueur au Canada, pendant et après cette crise. Ceci n'est pas un exercice. Prenez immédiatement des mesures de protection.
A nuclear attack against North America, including Canada, has been detected. Targeted locations include Winnipeg, Edmonton, Ottawa, Toronto, Montreal, Vancouver. Seek shelter immediately. Remain in place for at least 14 days. Bring food, water, medicine, and a battery-powered radio. Canada, the United States, and NATO forces are responding with counterattacks. The Strategic Defense Initiative of North America is responding to incoming missiles. Her Majesty's government in Canada will issue a statement when the crisis has ended. Martial law is in effect. This is not a drill. Take immediate protective measures.
This message has been issued by the Government of Canada in coordination with the CBC. TV stations will either go off the air or go on audio-only format. Get to shelter now with your radio and supplies. Tune your battery-powered radio to a local station providing news for your area.